Let's solve this question. The length of each side of an equilateral triangle ABC is 4 centimeter. D is a point on BC such that area of triangle ACD is thrice the area of triangle ABD. Then the length of AD in centimeter is. Okay, so there is this equilateral triangle ABC. I'm drawing this triangle first, right? So this is ABC. It is given that D is a point on this line BC such that area of triangle ACD, area of triangle ACD is thrice the area of triangle ABD, right? So by using this property, I can say, okay, so area of this triangle is thrice the area of this triangle ABD, correct? So I can say this point D, because these two triangles ACD and ABD are on the same base. So we can say this point D will divide this base BC in the ratio 1:3, right? So it will divide this base in the ratio 1:3. Also, the sides of this equilateral triangle are given as 4, 4 and 4, right? So we have to find the length of this AD. And to find the length of this AD. Okay, so let's just construct, just drop a perpendicular from this vertex A to the opposite side BC. So I'm dropping a perpendicular, right? I'm dropping a perpendicular. Why am I doing this? See, if I drop a perpendicular, I know it bisects BC, correct? So this distance would be 2. I know this whole distance CD is 3. So it would be equal to 1, right? Because ratio was 1:3 and the total length was 4. So this CD was 3 and BD was 1. So if I drop a perpendicular, I know this length BD is equal to, I'm calling this point as E. BD is equal to DE, which is 1 and 1, correct? Because E is a midpoint and this distance is, this length EC is 2. Now in this triangle ADE, I have this base DE, correct? Also in an equilateral triangle, I know the length of height, correct? Why? Because let's just assume this triangle ABC or ABE. ABE is a 90, 60 and 30 triangle, correct? 90, 60, 30 triangle. So length opposite to 6. I know in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, side opposite to 30, 60 and 90 are in the ratio 1:√3:2, correct? Side opposite to 30 degree is having a length of 2, correct? So side opposite to 60 degree, which is AE, will have a length of much 2√3. This is 2√3. Base DE is 1. I can find the value of AD because it's a right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras, AD square would be equal to DE square plus AE square. And I know DE is 1, D square is 1, and AE square is 4 into 3 is 12. So it comes out to be 13 AD square. So the length of this side AD would be √13. Correct answer is option B.